Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that programmers face. The issue at hand is handling memory errors in C code. When the system runs out of memory, it could be a real headache for developers. But fear not, we have a solution to this problem. Let's dive into the solution now. By using the predefined code snippet, we can address the memory error in a robust manner. The key lies in utilizing the _write function on Windows systems and the write function on POSIX systems. These functions directly interact with the operating system, bypassing any memory allocation pitfalls. So, by implementing this code, you can effectively output error messages without worrying about additional memory allocation. In summary, we've explored a clever workaround for handling memory errors in C code. By leveraging platform-specific functions like _write and write, we can gracefully manage out-of-memory situations. I hope this solution proves helpful in your programming endeavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful coding tips. Remember, a Stack Overflow won't be a problem if you're subscribed to our channel.